Hey guys, I'm gonna unbox two packages for you guys. This one and this one. I'm super excited. I kind of picked into this one because I got so intrigued by the little envelope. So starting with this package, this is from a new Korean brand called Vegreen. We have this very cute little envelope with this adorable little bookmark. Super cute. For the actual products, first of all, we have this vegan alternative for a snail serum. So it says non-snail. I'm super excited about this. Can't wait to try it. And then I also got this daily moisture cream. And these are the ingredients. And the second package is from Sylveco, which is a Polish skincare brand. So let's open this baby up. Super cute packaging as well. Love the whole vibe. Super sweet. Personal note. Thank you so much. And then let's make a mess. A very sweet package. I picked out some products, but I see that there are more in here, so that's super kind. A lot of samples, super sweet. So let's see what we got here. First, let's go through the products that I picked myself. So first thing I see here is the Sylveco blemish darting gel treatment. I picked all hypoallergenic products because I have sensitive skin. So we have this one as the Dutch sticker, so I know how to use it and what's in it. Then I also picked the enzyme face peel, which is supposed to work on skin that's usually too sensitive to use chemical peels on. So I'm really excited to try that. And then finally the one I picked is this birch cream for sensitive dry skin. I don't know if there's any English on here. Yeah, here's some. You can pause that if you want to read it. It's all fragrance free, which is something that I looked for personally on their website. So that's one I picked out as well. Then I also see this firming body scrub with raspberry seeds from Vegreen. I'm sorry if I'm butchering these names, by the way. Some ingredients. And the how to use part. I love body scrubs and I don't have any currently, so I'm really happy to try this. Next is this Vegreen. I couldn't make out what it was from the Polish name, obviously, so I turned it around and it is a lip balm. You can never have enough lip balms. Then I see lots and lots of samples. Really, this is way too generous, but thank you so much. More samples. On the bottom we have this tote bag. I love tote bags so much. Really happy with it. It will be put to good use. And to finish off the unboxing, we have this full catalog of all of their products. So I can tell you more about the products I got when I'm about to review them. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me, and I'll see you guys soon.